Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the door glass in your dryer. The reason why you would have to do this is because the glass is damaged or broken. For this repair, we'll be using a Phillips head screwdriver and a screwdriver with a T25 Torx bit. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the dryer we'll be using. It's a Maytag Maxima X. Keep in mind that yours might be a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same technique should still apply. So the first thing we need to do is open up our dryer door, and the next thing we have to do is remove the hinge from the bulkhead here. So we've got 4 screws, and we're going to be using our T25 Torx bit in order to get these off. And now that we've removed the last screw, we can lift up on the door and it'll all come out, and we can set the door down. Now we're going to have to get this door panel off, and in order to do that, we're going to have to remove 13 total of these Phillips head screws. Now that we've got the screws out, we'll be able to separate these 2 panels. So now that we've got that panel off, we've got our door glass right here, and all we need to do is just lift it straight off. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement door glass, and if you don't have it already, you can find it on our online store. So now before we put the new glass in, you'll see that there are 2 brackets on this side of the door. For some reason, when the door was put together, maybe somebody else took it apart and put it back together, but they didn't put it back into the brackets like they were supposed to. So we're going to do that now. So we're going to use our Torx bit, and from this side, we're going to undo these screws on one side. And as you undo the second one, just make sure you're holding onto that bracket so it doesn't fall down. So we'll put the new door glass in here, and you're going to line up this notch in the glass with that little part in the bracket. So that fits in there perfectly. And now we'll put the other bracket on. And you may notice that it looks a little bit different than when we originally took it out, and that's because somebody took it apart in the past, and when they did take it apart, they didn't put it back together. So that's why it's always important to take pictures. If you don't remember how things are supposed to go, take a picture of yourself or take a video of yourself taking stuff apart, putting it back together. That way you put everything back how it's supposed to go, and when you put everything back together, you don't have any issues. So for example, if you don't put the door glass in the right way, that could cause the door not to shut properly. So the issue this door was also having was that it was just popping open randomly, and that's something you don't want, especially if you put a load in to dry. You come back downstairs to check on it and your door is just open. So definitely putting stuff together the right way the first time is something you want to make sure you're doing. So now that we've got the door glass in, set the frames back together. You'll notice on the sides here there are a couple of tabs with a little hole, which correspond to a little piece of plastic that sticks out right there. So when you do put this together, you're just going to want to make sure that your tabs and the plastic lines up, and you'll put them together. Get that in there first. And now we can screw the door back together. So now we're going to put the door back on. So you're going to line up these two hooks right here with the slots in the dryer frame. And they'll just go right in there, sit down, and then we can screw it back in. Now you can close the door and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.